The next 2 days could fundamentally change the rest of your life. In a world that's changing so fast, we all need to have an entrepreneurial mindset. So over the next 2 days, we're going to go through this whole process of starting a business from scratch. I'm going to bring you onto this entrepreneurial roller coaster, and you'll have a chance to work on a problem that you're really passionate about solving.
Mental health, racism,
obesity,
depression, financial literacy,
distracted driving,
students with disabilities.
We want to expose as many students as possible to the entrepreneurial mindset to teach them the confidence and some of the skills they need to use in order to be effective problem solvers.
Providing this kind of opportunity helps them to think outside of the box and come up with some new ideas and some new pathways that perhaps they hadn't thought about.
All the schools. You just want to eventually make your own school.
Together, you can build on each other's ideas and come up with something that the world has never seen before.
We all come from different backgrounds. It does well when you're trying to come up with new ideas because everyone has different perspectives.
learning how to not work as only one, but as a group.
Watching our partnership grow with my teammates, it has definitely been rewarding.
I'm just grateful to be learning and meeting new students and just talking to like-minded people who are interested in business and the same topics as me.
I figured when I first got here I wouldn't like it, but it turns out everybody's pretty cool and I kind of like it.
Brainstorming and planning everything out step by step, I'm realizing is actually super helpful. I definitely wouldn't have realized that if it wasn't for coming here.
We've got mentors, really solid business people who've given up 2 days of their time to come here and mentor the students.
So you want to be able to just easily take them off and put them on your next load.
And at the end of the second day, the students will stand up on stage delivering a professional business pitch to a Shark Tank panel.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
I met some really cool people today, and that was really fun.
Trying to understand other perspectives has been a very beneficial skill that I've taken away from this.
I think that this is like giving us a lot of good skills for later in our lives.
What was the one rule in this workshop? No excuses. No excuses.